We manufacture high-quality squeegee blades, hoses, and all main parts for the floor scrubber machines. Today, I will explain in detail how to disassemble and install our new squeegee assembly. First, take out the plastic mold. Use a knife to cut the burns. Put on the front rubber blades first, and then buckle the rubber blades on the squeegee seal. Turn it over and put the gasket first. Please pay attention to the smooth side of the gasket facing down. Then tighten the yellow screws and tighten them slightly. Then tighten the black screws and tighten them slightly. Turn it over, and we can see that there is a gap between them. Get a rubber hammer and hammer it a few times. Now it looks very flat. Then we install another pieces of rubber blades. After installation, we install the pressure strip. Before installing the pressure strip, gently tap both ends of the pressure strip. If there are sweat stains on the pressure strip, you can wipe it with a towel. The position of the pressure strip is about this position. It can also be adjusted by yourself. Be careful not to pressure the pressure strip on the exposed black plastic parts. The tightness can be adjusted as per your needs. Finally, gently hammer twice on both sides. Turn it over, loosen the yellow screws a little, and tighten them again. Remove the black screws and add some lubricating oil or butter. Then install the wheels, and you can also use some lubricating oil on the gaskets. After install the wheels, tighten the black screws. The installation is complete. If you have any questions about the installation for our Squeegee LLC, please feel free to contact us. This is Lily.